Imagine an ESG system that talks and shows. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. It's how banks measure a company's sustainability, ethics, and risk. Now imagine managing all that in one place. Open dashboards, run analytics, or chat naturally to get things done. That's your ESG Advisor Agent, built with a live web UI and a conversational chat assistant working side by side. ESG data never stops changing. Reports, fillings, news, endless. Analysts need speed and context, not more tabs. This agent brings both a clear dashboard for insight and a chat window for instant answer. We'll build a plan, reason, act agent with full UI controls and a chat flow. Create companies, upload report, trigger ESG runs, or ask BI questions, your choice, click or chat. It's a complete assistance, not a single chatbot. The stack runs light, fast, and easy to scale. We are using React, TypeScript, and Tailwind for a responsive web UI. Clean design, quick rendering, and a smooth user experience. Behind the scenes, LangGraph agents handle the reasoning steps, while an Express API connects the front end to the agent layer. All the data from uploaded reports to chat history stays in SQLite, a single lightweight database that keeps both the app and a chat perfectly in sync. And with the server sent events, every action from scoring to planning streams live across both interfaces. So your UI and chat update together in a real time. It's a setup that's simple enough for local dev, but powerful enough for production grade ESG analytics. Let's start from the dashboard. Once you log in, everything you need is right here. Your company list, recent ESG runs, pending actions, and the chat doc ready on the right. The layout's clean and simple, built for analysts who want clarity, not clutter. From here, you can add a new company directly in the web UI. Click Create Company, enter a few quick details like example Greenleaf Energy, sector as example utilities, country United States. You can now even assign a team member or upload a company logo right from this step. And that's it. The company is created instantly, ready for report uploads and its first ESG analysis. No setup headaches, no manual entries, just a smooth onboarding from login to launch. Next, let's run our first full analysis. It's all start in Upload Center. You are one place for every type of data. You can drag and drop PDF reports, paste in public URLs, or upload CSV data straight from your local drive. Each file is instantly scanned, parsed, and indexed so the agent knows exactly where to look for information. Once your uploads are ready, hit Run ESG Analysis, and that's when the real action begins. The trace lights up in a real time, ingest, score, detect, plan. You can literally watch the process unfold. The agent reading, scoring, and reasoning over every section of your reports. It flags signs of greenwashing, highlights trends and weaknesses, and builds a set of data backed recommendations you can actually act on. In just few seconds, you go from raw documents to clear ESG insights automatically. Now, let's switch over to the chat. Everything you can do in the dashboard, you can do right here just by asking. It's the same agent, the same tools, but now completely conversational. Type create company Greenleaf Energy, and within seconds it appears in your company list just like it would through the UI. Need to upload documents? Just drag your CSR PDF straight into the chat. The agent instantly extracts, parses, and indexes it for analysis. No extra steps, no clicking through folders. Now simply type Run ESG Analysis and watch the live update stream right inside the chat thread. Each stage, ingest, score, detect, plan, scrolls in real time with progress indicators and quick summaries. It's fast, intuitive, and perfectly synced with the main dashboard. Whether you prefer typing, clicking, or talking, the agent keeps both experiences in the lockstep. Once your ESG data is processed, you can explore it with GenBI. Open the Analytics tab in the dashboard or just ask in chat. Show governance trend for the last 6 quarters. The agent writes a safe, read-only SQL query behind the scenes, executes it, and returns a chat instantly. Each data point is linked back to its source, so you always know where the insights came from. No scripts, no spreadsheets, just conversational BI built into your ESG workflow. For banks, this changes everything. Risk teams see ESG trends on the dashboard, while analysts chat with the agent for deeper answers. Due diligence speed up, audits stay clean, and policy alerts surface automatically. The agents built for trust, read-only SQL, clear citation, and confidence bands on every score. If data is weak, it asks for more docs, never guesses. Everything is logged and auditable in both views. Now you have got an ESG agent that works the way you do. Visual when you want, conversational when you need. Add more feeds, customize rules, connect to your BI stack, and keep your team in the loop through chat. It's the future of ESG advisory, human plus AI in one workspace. Want the full repo and prompts? Drop ESG agent in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more AI builds where humans and the agent build together.